Hey guys, this is Review Destination and I am Kshitij, and today we are going to unbox this Inspiron 14 5000 series 5490. So we have two boxes over here from Dell, as you can see. So let's cut this first box over here. So in this first box I think we have the bag. Let's cut this plastic tape. So yeah, we have the bag from Dell. This is the Dell backpack, as you can see. So this is a normal backpack, nothing fancy. So this is the Dell branded backpack with this blue zip. So let's keep it to the side. Now let's see the second box, and in this box we have the computer itself, the laptop. That's why this battery logo is even over there. Let's cut the tape. It's pretty tight. So it's very tightly packed, as you can see. Okay, so I have to use my both the hands to remove it. So in this airtight package you have the laptop. Pretty impressive packaging, as you can see. What else we have in the box? Let's see first. We have some paperwork over here. Then we have the charger. And that's it. Now let's see the charger first. So this is a normal charger which you can get with every laptop, and this is the wall adapter, and that's it. I'm really impressed with Dell. The packaging over here is really nice, really solid, pretty nice. So your laptop will be safe. Pretty nice. I'm really impressed with the packaging. So this is the laptop itself in this plastic bag. So it's in all this silver color with Dell branding over here and the inspiron branding at the bottom. Here is the vents for the fan. Here is the vents for the speaker. Now let's see this laptop in close up. So this is the laptop. Now let's open it and see. So this is the i5 10th generation laptop. So it's really high end and fast. It is a 500 GB SSD and 8 GBs of RAM. So it's really fast and the processing power is really good. Now let's turn it on. And actually the laptop is looking really premium and really good. I like the initial impressions.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
So now let's
If you
set
need
up.
an assistive screen reader, Press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Now let's do the setup for this laptop and I'll see you
Region
later.
is set to India. Is that right?
So after a long time now I've done the setup for this laptop and I'll quickly tell you the specifications for this laptop. This laptop has this 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor which is clocked at 2.4 gigahertz. It has Windows 10 Home plus single language English style. It has Intel QHD graphics with standard graphic memory, and it has a 8 GB of 4G onboard graphics, plus it has 512 GBs of SSD. So now let's see, and plus this laptop has this fingerprint scanner also over here. I didn't know that when I've done the setup. That time I came to know about it. So you are first welcome to this Dell page. Now let's close it. So this is your standard Microsoft window, and I hope this keyboard is backlit. It doesn't look like actually. Let's see how does it work. Okay, so I think it doesn't have backlit keys. No, it doesn't have. There's no button for backlit keys. So the cost of this laptop is 49,000, but with all the taxes and everything, it comes something around 52,000 to 55,000 rupees. I have got this laptop for 52,000 rupees, but I recently checked the price for this laptop. It's gone up to 58,000 rupees. I got this in some Diwali discount, so that's why I got it for cheaper. So let's see. It doesn't have any browser as such right now. I'll use this Microsoft Edge. Let's go to YouTube and play our audio for you guys. I use a MacBook. This laptop is for my mother, so I really don't know how to use it quite properly. So let's see again. The keypad is really good. I really like the feel of the keypad, and the trackpad is the normal trackpad. Right click, left click, and it is a normal trackpad. It's not the touch sensitive trackpad which you get in MacBooks. So now YouTube has come. Now I'll quickly play a music video for you guys. So initial impressions, the audio quality and the display is decent. It's not really good. Like I've used the MacBook, so I have a really high expectation from audio and video quality, but it's not up to the mark. these are my initial impressions. It's not that loud also, as you can see. So yeah, so that's it for this unboxing, guys. This is Chitish signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.